welcome back. Sorry I've been ignoring you, but what we're going to do today is we are going to harvest some peppers. I've got a bunch of them, and I'm going to attempt to pickle the peppers. I believe I got this pepper variety from my gardener. It's considered a sweet pepper. I use it like a bell pepper, to be quite honest. Okay, hopefully it's not too close, but I'm gonna go ahead and harvest my peppers back here. I've got okra, and I've got, I think they're called caballo peppers. They're sweet peppers, kind of like bell peppers. I've got a bunch, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest those, and then I'm gonna can them. I'm gonna pickle some peppers. So you're gonna watch me go ahead and harvest some peppers. Awesome. This is the largest harvest I had. I think it has a lot to do with my compost in place. I have a compost in place right here. I just dump it. I have the irrigation on it. Lots of bugs, worms, everything, ants, bunch of ants. But I think it helps. I've been giving it drinks of coffee. I added some nutrients. So yeah, good harvest this year. I'm not even done. Sweet. So this is what we got. I got them all.